Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these wine glass lanyards. So all you're going to need is some acrylic yarn. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver, or you could use a bulky yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. Okay, so if you're using the same yarn as me, you need to use 2 threads, so one from the outside and one from the center. If you're using bulky yarn, just use 1 thread. Okay, so put your 2 threads together, make a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 16. Okay, once you have your chain of 16, we want to slip stitch to the first chain that we made so we can make a loop, but we want to make sure it doesn't get twisted. Okay, so just hold the 2 ends and turn it in. And then make your slip stitch. Okay. So again, just hold the 2 ends and turn it in. And then slip stitch. Okay, once you've made your loop, the next step is to chain 3. Okay. We're going to skip this next chain and we're going to single crochet into the second one. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. So chain 3, skip 1 chain, single crochet into the second one. Chain 3, skip 1, single crochet into the next one. Okay, let me know if you would like any other lanyards, because I can do them for the cans as well, like beer cans and the thin little cans. Okay, that's one in there. Okay, for the next row, we're going to chain 4 instead of 3. And we're going to go into this loop that we made in the previous row, and we're just going to single crochet. So just go around the loop and repeat that all the way around. So chain 4, put your hook into the loop and make a single crochet. So we're just going to repeat this last row until it's big enough for your glass. So for my one, I'll probably do 4, maybe 5 rows in total. So that will probably include the 2 that I've already done. Okay, so you don't need to slip stitch, just chain 4 and single crochet into this loop from the previous row. Okay, so I'm going to finish my rows and I'll come back and tell you how many I did and then how to make the strap. Okay, so here's how my one looks at the end. So we've got our starting chain, and this is where we did the chain 3, and then I did 4 rows with the chain 4, so it's 5 rows in total, and it should just slip over the base of the wine glass, and then you pull it up. So you can always do more rows if you have a big red wine glass, and it should fit because it's got lots of stretch in the top. Okay, next we're just going to make a chain so it can go around your neck. So depending on the person it's for will depend on how many chains you do. And you just chain one after the other. And I like to count in a set of 5. Okay, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, until you get the length that you need. Okay, so there's 50 already. Okay, so there's my chain. So I've just done a chain of 100. So it's nice and long. And then you just want to make sure it's not twisted and attach it to the other side. Okay, so that's where we started, and then I just like to fold it in half. So I'll make a single crochet on that side. Okay, and the last thing to do is to cut your yarn and weave it in, as well as the one you started with. Okay, so you can weave it in any way you like, so long as it's nice and tight and it won't come loose. Okay, so there's how it looks when it's finished. And you just check it fits. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.